Bucks Fizz star Jay Aston is recovering well after her operation for mouth cancer. The 57-year-old singer, famous for the Eurovision-winning song "Making Your Mind Up," discovered she had pre-cancerous cells in April after being examined following an itchy tongue rash. Through her spokesperson, she has said that all went well during the procedure to have a piece of her tongue removed yesterday, July 10. Advertisement. Continue reading below. Ahead of the operation, her bandmate Cheryl Baker said on Twitter, "Sending so much luck and love to Jay Aston this morning. Cannot wait for this to be over for you, Jay. Looking forward to ripping skirts off with you soon." With so many thoughts, wishes and prayers from so many, I'm sure you will sail through this. Aston had already had part of her tongue removed before, and has been told that the latest operation could end her singing career. This comes just a week after a report from The Mirror that Aston had returned to the studio to record a Christmas album. "It's been a pleasure to get back. My voice has returned, not in full, but almost," said Aston. The operation lasted 7 hours and Aston is said to be on the road to recovery. Earlier today, Baker provided an update from Aston's husband Dave, which stated, "Jay's recovery is all looking positive. Jay moved from intensive care onto the ward. This is much earlier than expected, so goes to show the fight in the girl. We'll keep updating, but it's looking very good." Want up-to-the-minute entertainment news and features? Just hit like on our Digital Spy Facebook page and follow on our @DigitalSpy Instagram and Twitter account.